Let me tell ya, you're looking at me like you wanna be the one. Then you tell me that you're leaving in the morning. You really wanna start something, you know.
Welcome back to my channel. So today's wig is from my first wig. This came in a bob style, so I'm just showing you guys the install and stuff. If you're interested in this wig, just know it is a 13x6, but you know some of the wigs, they stop like right here, so this one did stop right here. This wig does not have too much shedding or nothing like that, so if you're interested, I do recommend that you go ahead and get this wig, especially if you're a beginner. Everything came in the packaging, so it's easy for you to install. So I'm just going to show you guys what came in the packaging, and then the next clip will be me installing the hair. If you're interested, the links will be down below, so make sure you click my description box. Let's get into this video.
Could it be you calling me down? My foolish heart comes at the start. All that I have is all that you see. You don't need nobody else, and you're in this all on me. Could it be you calling me down? My foolish heart comes at the start. All that I have is all that you see. You don't need nobody else, and you're in this all on me. Could it be you calling me down? My foolish heart comes at the start. All that I have is all that you see. You don't need nobody else, and you're in this all on me. Could it be you calling me down? My foolish heart comes at the start. All that I have is all that you see. You don't need nobody else, and you're in this all on me.
Take a sip of Ace of Spades like it's water. I've been on the mountain in the sands with your daughter. If she catch me cheating, I won't never tell her sorry. If she catch me cheating, I won't never tell her sorry. Bushes in the valley, I got Bentleys, I got Rarries. Taking pain pills on the plane, getting charged. Popping tags on tags, I'm starving. Bitch, I got the juice and the carbon. Turn a 5-star hotel to a trap house. Roaches everywhere like we forgot to take the trash out. Love my crossword ice, getting money, my religion. Got my baby mama and my side bitch kissing. I turn her wrist into a lean house. This the 6th time getting kicked out. I can't feel my face, I'm on auto raw nauseous. Niggas tryna ride my fucking wave, now they talking. I just took some mileage with us. Got some bitch with violence with us. She gon' fuck you smart with us. I'ma fuck her bras with us. Bitch from Pakistan with us. Ferraris in the lambs with us. What if you like it's a foul. Walk, I put the hundreds of pounds. Walk, we better roll up some Franklin. Yeah, we better roll up some loud. Yeah, you better stay in your lane. Yeah, I'm swerving all over the mouth. Yeah, I got a pound of mania with a little pretty face all in my lap. Yeah, I let it go with the sex pills, having to run up some laps. Sometimes I go to Chanel, now sitting that bitch like it's a drought. Yeah, Rolex stores my bando. Put up on George Bush with the ammo. Yeah, I spit the ammo Indo. Put it on the 18 wheeler. Breathe up, jamming and rapping finesse. Talk to her. I go beyond for the stroller. Editor, freezing the ice out your chest. Talk to her. You looking just like a jeweler. Yeah, edit all up on the iPad. Editor, talk to the plug on the car phone. Talk to her. In the Miami, you read up. Rovers, push. Run your money, I'm flipping in it. Aston Martin, I'm whipping in it. Chicken too specific. 10 black whips, I'm too consistent. Tell my private bitch, tell me if I'm too persistent. All my baby Myron, I just bought a brand new. I need a power to turn. I'm out of fuck off the M. I need a power to turn. You need to get this on film. I'm out to push me away. You won't catch me in the gym. I'm out to push me away. You won't catch me in the gym. I'm out.
Looking at me like you wanna be the one. Then you tell me that you're leaving in the morning. You really wanna start something, you know. You're thinking of your dad. You're looking at me like you wanna be the one. Then you tell me that you're leaving in the morning. You really wanna start something, you know. Thought I was finished, it's a glitch. Everything that I wanna do, I had it down bad. Nothing really pissing on me. But I never see it like I won't be full swing next to you. I want you to ease my mind. Let me tell ya, you're looking at me like you wanna be the one. Then you tell me that you're leaving in the morning. You really wanna start something, you know. You're thinking
Okay, you guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you enjoyed this look, because I know I don't do short hair at all. So this is my first little like bob wig that actually came as a bob. I did not cut it or anything. If you're a beginner and you're looking to install a frontal wig, I recommend this wig to start off with, to test it out, because it came nice and plucked. The lace does look a little bit dark because I did add my foundation in the lace, even though it was already brown. But yeah, this wig came perfect for a beginner. It's nice and highlighted, so if you wanted to do like a flip over type of look, you would be able to see it even more. But yeah, I will have my first wig links in my description box so you guys can check them out, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.
Let me tell ya, you're looking at me like you wanna be the one. Then you tell me that you're leaving.